Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put this one, go to the right. Next, we do about factorization by s squared in here. This one we change dy over dx. Now, the s we put on the right, s squared we put on the right. Now, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, s divided by s squared, 1 divided by s squared. So this one you will have about 1 over s plus 1 over s squared. And now we have the final answer. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. Number 1, that's about y. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s. This one we have negative 1 over s, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.